Okay, this is a way to bend and hack the matrix in your favor. Stick with me here because this may be the most important video you watch all month and all year. Pull out a sheet of paper and draw 7 circles in clockwise fashion all together because we're about to go through 7 elements that are critically important. And make sure you watch all the way to the very last 20 seconds of the video because we're going to actually initiate the Fibonacci sequence along with the 369 method. On the very top circle, write down a number 1 and write down capital letters I am. We need to convince ourselves to break out of the matrix that you're not your body, you're not your emotions, you're not your thoughts or mind, and you're not your results and achievements. You will stay stuck in the matrix if you constantly consider that the 3D reality is the only thing that's real. That's the hook of the matrix. That's what keeps you stuck. Now, stick with me here because number 2 and number 3 are even more important than this. Let's go ahead and draw number 2 on the next circle down clockwise fashion. You're going to write inside that circle cause of. Okay, so you have the I am pictured there, and now you're going to write down the cause of. What are you being a cause of in your life? The law of cause and effect always shows that every effect going on in your life, meaning everything that's happening in your life in the matrix you're in, you're a cause too. So you need to ponder this question every day. Now, number 3, we're going to get to here. Number 4, 5, and 6 are chain linked together, just as important. So stick with me here. Point number 3 is life follows ego character. Later on, you can heal so you're much more identity less. Yes, I understand that. That's a spiritual expression we'll talk about later. But for right now, we just need to understand that your self-image and your identity is what's considered normal and standard in your life and your matrix. The thing you're going to manifest and attract in most is the thing that's normal. It's like a thermostat. It's a temperature read. Okay, and we need to go through that. Now, really quick, before we go into number 4, a brand new, I just put together a free masterclass on a soul code reset. These are 3 codes to brainwash manifesting, deep healing, and integrating. And a lot of my clients get results in 30 days just by watching this. It's free. The link is in the description, the card above, or the pinned comment. You're going to love this. It's almost an hour long. It's all of the fine details I didn't put in this video you're going to want, okay? Including results. And when you're there, you're going to see why it's going to make all the difference knowing these 3 codes, okay? Now, stick with me here. We're almost there, halfway through. Here's number 4. 4, 5, and 6 are critical to have with 1, 2, and 3. Number 4, go ahead and write down emerge. Don't chase. This is the number 1 thing after I've worked with 3,000 people on manifesting and healing. The number 1 thing people do when they fail is they chase. If you already had the thing you want, you would feel it's already complete. You'd feel it's done. That's the trick to manifesting. You need to feel yourself in possession of the thing you're wanting. That's the secret. That's the thing you're wanting. Every time you chase, you are actually symbolizing to the universe the absence of it. So you're like, where is it? Where is it? You're saying, universe, it's not here, and it just keeps giving you, it's not here, or basically it's repelling the thing you're actually wanting, crazy enough. Now, as we're going through this, it's going to make way more sense. Again, stick to the end of the video because we need to activate all this with the Fibonacci sequence and the 369 method. Number 5, you're going to write down clean and heal. I'm not talking about cleaning your house. What I'm talking about is actually cleaning inside. So here's the sequence I do with all my one-on-one clients. I actually do done for you and done with you healings with them. And here's what we do. Number 1, own your triggers. Don't blame anybody ever again. Letter B, listen to those triggers. What are those triggers trying to tell you? They're trying to speak to you. Letter C, when did you feel a similar way? See when the memories come up. If you don't have memories coming up and you have disassociation, we can help you through that in our systems and program, okay? Letter D, you need to remove the meaning or the story. It's not what happened to you that matters. It's the meaning and story that was created because of it. And you need to remove that. That's the glass ceiling you keep running into. Now, number 6 is we need to remove things, okay? And wait till number 7, because number 7, I think, to me, is the most crucial element of this entire thing. But we need to start removing the noise in number 6. so many emails and notifications and videos and stuff. Okay. I had one of my clients tell me they had almost 1 million emails in their inbox. Seriously. Okay. I need you to start leaving the noise out, remove stuff from your life, like remove it, purge, allow your life to be way more simple because it's clouding your matrix, it's clouding your mind. Now, number 7, like I mentioned to me, is the most critical of it all, and that's practicing daily these 7 elements. I need you to practice it so much so that you get familiar with the new matrix life. You need to start being convinced that in a different dimension, you're living a different life. Seriously, you need to brainwash yourself. You need to allow yourself to really, truly believe that there's another reality waiting for you. It's like learning a new language or learning an instrument, learning to play the piano. You got to practice that every day. I need you to practice the study of the new life. How's it feel? What would you think? What would you act? How would you be? You do this all in imagination using this. Now, stick with me here because we're going to go through. Make sure you're checking off number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you got all 7 of these because these are king. Now, in the very middle, you're going to draw a Fibonacci little swirl. It doesn't have to be to scale or to ratio. Just do what I'm doing to connect them all. And then you're going to comment these numbers below. It's the first part of the Fibonacci sequence. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Essentially, you're realizing that everything is fractals. Everything has patterns, and you are finding the pattern and changing it. Okay. Now, the 369 method, you're going to put 3 on the top left hand corner, 6 on the top right hand corner, and number 9 on the bottom. Okay. You're going to want to practice 3 times a day, practice the thoughts 6 times a day, and then practice the cleansing and the emerging